here are some du'as that you can say, inshallah, that are very promising. I came across this dua when I was about 15 years old, and this dua ever since I've been using it, and there are two versions of it. I know one version, the other version I don't, so I'll read it to you, and hopefully, inshallah, you can memorize it. The Prophet ﷺ once said, there is a name of Allah that whoever uses it, no dua will be rejected. So one day Anas radiallahu anhu, he says, I was sitting with the Prophet ﷺ in the mosque. When a man prayed, then he bowed, then he made sujood. And when he finished, he said the following, Allahumma inni as'aluka bi anni ashhadu annaka anta Allahu la ilaha illa anta. Al-Ahad, As-Samad, Alladhi lam yalid, wa lam yulad, wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. And then he continued asking Allah. In another version it is, Allahumma inni as'aluka bi anna laka al-hamd, la ilaha illa ant, wahdaka la sharika lak, al-mannan, badi'u as-samawati wal-ard, ya dhal jalali wal-ikram, ya hayyu, ya qayyum. Rasul ﷺ turned and he said to that man, you have asked Allah using His greatest name. لَقَدْ سَأَلْتَهُ بِاسْمِهِ الْأَعْظَمِ. You have asked Allah using His greatest name, which if one supplicates with it, He responds, and if he asked with it, He will give. So there's two types Allah does, either responds or He gives. Ujib means He responds in the best way that is good for you. Yu'atiq, so su'al means He gives you exactly what you want. And He said, you asked Allah in that glory name. Narrated by Imam Ahmad and narrated by Anas radiallahu anhu. My dear brothers and sisters, the hadith, this dua really means, Oh Allah, I ask you with your name and all your glorious names, in that I bear witness that you are the only God worthy of worship, and you are Allah, the one and only, the eternal, the one who has never fathered anyone, and the one who does not get fathered by anyone, meaning you don't have a son and you don't have a father. You're not given birth to and you don't give birth to anyone. And there is no one like you, my Lord. This is a dua of Allah's greatest name. My brothers and sisters, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you and protect you and all of us. And I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make us among those whose dua is special and accepted, responded to. May Allah grant us patience and perseverance, wide understanding and wisdom. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us to the straight path. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us to what brings us closer to paradise of words and actions.